Hey guys, how's it going? So today there's going to be an eclipse. I'm sure you guys have all heard about it. And I know I've kind of been dead from YouTube, but I have time and I wanted to make this up, and so yeah, I'm gonna just talk you through what I'm doing. So I've already started. I'm going to be making black salt, and normally you buy black salt. It's good for protection or banishing rituals, and you can also make it. And there's a couple of videos on YouTube of how to make it. But I'm going to be making it, and I'm going to be using the power of the Eclipse to harness that banishment and protection energy and really give my black salt an awesome energy from the Eclipse. So in here I already have juniper leaves or juniper needles, mistletoe for banishing, and garlic for banishment as well. I'm also going to be adding white sage for clearing negative energies and protection. And you want to make sure you have enough to burn so that you can color all of your salts. And then I also have St. John's wort for protection. So these are the herbs that we're using, and I'm just going to mix them up. You want to be careful though, because to make black salts, you're going to burn them on a charcoal disc, which I already have ready. It's not lit yet. But you want to be really careful because mistletoe is poisonous and garlic is going to irritate you when you burn it. When you're burning any herbs, you want to make sure that you know what you're burning, and especially with this blend, you make sure that you do it outside. So I'm going to light this up and then burn these down until it's just ashes. Once that is done, I'm going to mix it with my salts. And I'm going to do this outside, and then I'll be back with you guys, okay? Okay guys, so the eclipse has started, and I'm outside getting ready to burn my herbs. So another caution, when you burn these herbs, you want to make sure that you're not breathing in the fumes directly. Remember, mistletoe is poisonous, so it's definitely not a good herb to have yourself breathe in. So I'm just letting the fumes blow away. The one thing that you'll notice though is that the juniper smells really good. I love the way juniper smells when it burns. And it has a really pungent smell. If you wanted to leave out the garlic and the mistletoe, this would also make a really great banishing incense. And you just want to add a little bit at a time. When making this, sorry, I gotta move so I'm not breathing in the smoke. When making this, you want to make sure that you have a lot of patience, because it's going to be a lot of burning and then letting it smolder. I'm going to let this keep burning down, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished, okay? This is what the ashes will look like when they're all done, if you guys can see. It's just powdered ash, and again, this is the remnants of the mistletoe, juniper, garlic, I did two other things, sage and St. John's wort. So this is what it will look like once it's all done smoldering, and like I said, it smoldered throughout the time of the eclipse and while the sun was setting. Doing this on a new moon or an eclipse of the moon, like a lunar eclipse, or doing it on the sunset or any time that you want to, you can do that as well. I just decided to do it today. So this is what the powder will look like. Again, powdery. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take the salt, and this is the same salt I make all of my bath salts with. And you can use any type of salt. This is a mixture of a couple different. I think it would be cool to maybe use like Dead Sea salts, like pure, just all Dead Sea salts. So you're just going to mix that together. And there's a lot of powder. There's a lot of black soot, so you can get a lot of salt out of this. And I should actually move it to a different bowl. I'm not going to do that right now. But when we mix the salt in, it goes from being white to gray. There's the finished product. So That's, oh, I'm getting it all over my table. I'm making a huge mess. I'm going to regret this later when I have to clean up all these ashy pieces everywhere. But anyway, so these salts are going to be great for banishing negative energies, protection, especially home protection. You can use it around your property, around your car, on your altar when you're doing any home protection or banishing rituals. So awesome. I'm going to keep making this up and keep doing other stuff because I have time off tonight. But I hope everyone is doing well and hopefully have some more videos up soon. And maybe have time to write some of you guys and catch up and see what's happening. But if not, I will see you guys later on, I think this week, on my Pagan Perspective video for Subs Week. So love and light, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Fighting walls.